This is so intricate.
Let me see it.
Like it's 3D, but it's like layers and layers of wood.
This is very nice. I like this. This is wow. It is very nice building.
Hey Embracers, welcome to today's video, which is sponsored by Tivisiy. I got to choose 4 of their items from their website, and I chose 2 3D light up wood carvings and 2 metal lawn or garden stakes. Tivisiy is one of Hyde Park's retailers, and the 3D wood carvings I chose are original designs from Hyde Park designers. Please feel confident in supporting purchases from this genuine source. I am very happy with the products I chose. They are very intricate, and the designs, you can see that they paid a very special attention to even the most minute details. The designs are exquisite, and I think these would make unique gift items for your family and your friends. And each of their products have different versions, which include carvings without light, carvings with LED light, and carvings with sound activated LEDs. So I chose both of the wood carvings that I chose actually do have LED light, but I didn't choose any of the sound activated ones. These are the garden stakes I chose, and these are the smaller ones. They do have bigger ones than these. All of their products are available in plus size and mega size versions, and they are suitable for home decor, which is what I'm using them for. You can also use them for art decor, and they can be used in homes and offices and more. They currently have their St. Patrick's Day stock out, so you can visit shoptivisiy.com and see the events they will be having. Their products keep updating, so be sure to check back often. And if you do head on over there using the link in my description box, be sure to also take advantage of my discount code SING15 to give you 15% off your purchase. This is so intricate.
Let me see it.
Like it's 3D, but it's like layers and layers of wood.
This is very nice. I like this. This is wow. It is very nice building.
It is so intricate.
I'm gonna do this, but you know what I have?
I have a USB port at the side of my bed, so I'm gonna go ahead and close the curtain so you can get a better idea of what the light looks like. So now we're moving on to assembling the dresser for one of the kids' room. This is a StarCraft dresser. We bought it on Wayfair, and it had a lot of parts. So what I did was to pull everything out of the box and lay them out on the beds in the room that we were working in. That way we checked that we had everything, all the parts, all the little screws and what. So from there, we really just took the instructions one page at a time. So on the first page, they showed us how to put together a drawer. So we just put together all of the drawers and laid them out in the other kids' room on their beds. And then when we were done with all of the drawers, then we moved to working on the frame. So since I had the instruction booklet, I just handed the things to hubby and had him put them together one at a time. Alright guys, so let's head outside to show you the lawn stakes in the daytime, and then I'm also gonna show you them in the nighttime. This is what they're looking like. Again, I said these are, I believe they were 12 inches. They do have some bigger ones. Sorry for my walking and shaky hand. So these are pretty short, but I love them. They're nice and I think they're cute. And then I move them around in the nighttime just for you to see them better. So I put them around the plum tree during the night to give you a shot of what they look like in the night. Just because we have a street light towards the front left side of our house, so this was in the light, so I thought you would have seen it better, so I moved it here. If you made it this far, thank you so much for spending 8 minutes and 22 seconds of your life with me, and I'll see you right here in a couple of days in a brand new video. Bye.